Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Leadership. Now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic has been taken from your English for today, Unit-7, Lesson 4. In our today's discussion, we will talk about a very famous famous football player whose name is Pele. Let's have a look. He is Pele. He is a great and famous football player in the world. Very few football players are as famous as Pele. He had a golden career in his football world. He got a lots of award and reward in his time. Especially he was voted Football of the Century by IFFHS, and he was also named the Athlete of the Century by International Olympic Committee. He is a national hero. People of Brazil, his own mother country is Brazil, so the people of Brazil call him a national hero. So let's have a look about our today's discussion. My beloved students, it's very important information. This is our today's lecture 6 HW5. This lecture was left behind. My lecture 7 and HW6 already uploaded. You got this, but this was left behind mistakenly. Sorry for that. Okay, now let's start. Pele is widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time. In 1999, he was voted Football Player of the Century by the IFFHS. IFFHS stands for International Federation of Football History and Statistics. In 1999, the International Olympic Committee named Pele the Athlete of the Century. Athlete of the Century. In his career, he scored more than 1,200 goals, which is a great contribution in his life. Thus, he has become the top scorer of all time. In his own country, Brazil, Pele is a national hero. People call him national hero. People call him the king of football also, the King Pele, or simply the king. He is the all-time leading scorer of the Brazilian national team. He is the only footballer to be a part of 3 World Cup winning squads and the only player in the world to have 3 World Cup winning medals. Now choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. First number. In 1999, listen carefully, in 1999, he was voted Football Player of the Century by the IFFHS. Here, century means, let's read out the 4 options, then we will give tick mark. 10 years, 100 years, 50 years, 1000 years. Yes, it should be 100 years. So, century means 100 years. You know that 1 decade equal to 10 years and 100 years equal to century. Number 2, Pele is widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time. What does regarded mean? Regarded means considered, quarreled, hated, ousted. No, it should be considered. So, regarded means considered. This is the synonym of regarded. Next one is, what does IOC stand for? You know that IOC stands for International Olympic Committee. So search the International Olympic Committee. First number is Islamic Officers Committee. No. International Offense Commission, International Olympic Committee, Islamic Offer for Communication. So correct answer should be number C, International Olympic Committee. IFFHS stands for, in our passage, we got the information about this abbreviation, Islamic Federation for the Foundation of Humans and Societies. No. International Fund for Future Human and Social Group. It can be the answer. Islamic Federation for Funding for the Human and Social Reforms. And last one is International Federation of Football History and Statistics. Yes, according to the passage, this should be the correct answer. Next one is the word widely means. Widely means firstly, no, humorously, fully, extensively. Extensively, it should be the right answer. Extensively. The word thus means similar, because, in this way, such. Yes, thus means in this way. The word national means foreign, native, far of a nation. Nation, we know that national means of a nation, which regarded to national. The word own means which possesses a something else. A person possesses something. Like disposes, need, belonging to individual. Okay, belonging to individual should be the correct answer of own. So this is all about our today's discussion. I am again repeating my important information is my lecture 7 HW6 is already uploaded, but that was the leg behind mistakenly. That's why this is my previous lecture 6 and HW5. So follow this instruction. Now take your HW. Write a dialogue between you and the doctor about on favor. Write a dialogue between you and the doctor about on favor. About on favor. So this is all about our today's discussion. I hope you have already understood our today's class. Take preparation for your annual examination. Stay home, stay well. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.